Hello, I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing fine. This would be a November 2021 prediction for my Virgo friends, and I see a lot of you have been working really hard till now. Let's see what's happening in the month of November. Are you getting an option to chill a little more, or you'll be still working hard? What's going to be your overall energy, your health, wealth, finances? We're going to check all of that. We're also going to check what is the message from our spirit guides for you. Okay, so are you ready? Because I am. So let's check your overall message, my Virgo friends, for the month of November. It says individuality. Let me break this down for you. You are the ones whom I'm talking to. You are those specific kind of beings who know how to leave you a stamp of love on everything that you do, right? So that's a trademark. That's an individuality that you need to focus and you need to own for the month of November. Maybe you have been doing all along a lot for a lot of people who have just taken advantage of everything that you've been doing all along, and you have not got anything in return. Now is the time for you to work on yourself. It is the time for you to work on what is right for you. It is the time for you to put a trademark on what is yours. So if at all you are a curator of certain business, put a trademark on that. Do not just leave it be for somebody else to put their stamp on it. Metaphorically, obviously I'm giving you these explanations, but the ones whom I'm talking to, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Leave a stamp of your trademark of whatever you do. Don't let somebody else take the credit for your hard work. Okay, so focus on your being, focus on the individuality that you, oh my god, my couch is slipping. Focus on that for the month of November. Okay, and let's check what's overall health, finances and relationship. So in terms of, oh my god, in terms of career and finances, you've got the Wheel of Fortune. Amazing card. Okay, that means you spin the wheel, the fortune is yours. You have worked so hard all along. It's your time to gain the fruits of it. So it's so all your job interviews, the projects that you've been working on, this, like I said, go back to putting a trademark and stamp on what you've been doing. Don't let others take the credit. So November is when you're going to realize that I deserve this. This is mine to claim, right? This fortune belongs to me. You are the one who's going to be in charge of spinning the wheel of your life, my Virgo friends, and do that ethically, and do that, with the whole essence of it coming to fruition. What a beautiful way to start this reading. I'm really in love with your cards. Let's check what's happening for relationship. Okay. Oh, for relationship, I see that there is a possibility that some of you could be away from each other. This could be a long distance relationship. For some of you, you are into a very toxic relationship for some of you, and for some of you, you are absolutely only in a sexual relationship with your partner, right? So that's different auras and energies that I've picked up. The ones who are in toxic relationship, you feel very bonded and chained, and the ones who are into sexual only relationship, you don't feel a commitment in this relationship. You just feel that excitement and you are just enjoying the energy for the month of November. Oopsie, there are too many cards falling. Let's check what's happening for your health. All right, wow, one sec, let me just reshuffle this because there are so many cards which just fell down, my Virgo friends. Overall your reading is good, so I'm really liking it. In terms of health, there you are going to start taking care of your health in the month of November. Just make a promise right now. The good thing is Chariot is a great card. Okay, you've got all fresh, look at this, you've got all three major arcana cards. Okay, I need to just point this out. And I'll come back to explaining what your health card is. Major arcana cards means major changes in your life, major transformation, major event. So November is a major event for you. It's a major life-changing decision-making event for you, my Virgo friends. And the ones who are not taking care of your health, start now. Chariot means you are moving somewhere, you're moving. The whole chariot, okay, the whole depiction is that it's a movement. So there has to be some movement in your health in this month of November. If you have not been keeping well, you will start keeping well. Start eating healthy, go to the gym, take walk, take your dogs out. That kind of situation, right? Start focusing on your health. And you have got major arcana. So that means there's a major life changes that's happening in health, wealth, and career for the ones who resonate with me. All right, the ones who do not, leave it be because it's a general reading. Let's check what's your angel message for you guys. What is the angel message for my Virgo friends today? Okay. Our angel is saying cut your cord. Wow, you have this super informative reading today, my Virgo friends. Oh, poof. Lovely. You gotta ask your angels, you gotta ask Archangel Michael or your spirit guides and whoever you believe in, and cut the cord of those people who are not there for your higher good and the ones who do not deserve your blessings in their life. Okay, I'm not saying in a very harsh manner, because see, these people could be of destructive pattern in your life. There could be some sort of destruction that is really not serving you right. Hence, the angel is asking you to cut the cord. I do sessions on helping, detachment. So if you want to book a personal reading for that, I can help you. Apart from that, just generally what you could possibly do is just focus on forgiving whatever has been destructive pattern of this person. Cut the cord very nicely. Do not cut it with animosity and hate. Okay, just have that entire intention, light a candle and just cut the cord, right? Okay. And let's see who's your spirit guides and what's the message from your spirit guides for the month of November. Lovely reading, my Virgo friends. I really enjoyed this reading. Okay. Wow, sacred self. Do you see a lot of feathers, doves, pigeons are all around you? Look at this beautiful, beautiful lady. See, as moon, we all go through phases in our life, right? Like the way the moon goes through phases. You could be on an emotional rundown at this month, okay? But everything's going to be good for you. Look at this in between the bird, yeah? So concentrate on your heart chakra as well, okay? Unleash your spirit, unleash what is inside you, express your gifts. So all it's saying is be in the awareness of you. Do not worry of what's happening outside, because that's going to keep happening. The noise, the chaos outside is always going to keep happening. But unleash your sacred self, because you are important first at the end of the day. Remember that. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this reading. And if you have, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification icon. It's absolutely free and somebody else can reach this reading. And if you do need personal reading, all the information is mentioned below. I love you until we meet again. Ta-da!